Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to get my roots interlocked by my loctician. As we can see, he always does a great job hooking a girl up. Thank you, baby.
Welcome.
I'm gonna look cute while I'm in pain. Push this baby out. No. Ow. I'm gonna be like, ow. Ow. Oh, another contraction. Ow. Good. Oh, thank you, baby. Please go easy on the peppers this time, Kev. Daddy's gonna make me look cute.
Love you.
I love you. Oh, thank you. Cute. You heard the man.
Manga.
Hello.
Love you. Mwah.
Oh my god! My tread! Oh my gosh!
Oh my god.
This is 3 years worth of growth gone. Oh, you got to be kidding me.
Wow.
Oh my days. Never mind, I can reattach it later.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh my days. Oh my days. I just can't stop. I can't stop laughing at the other one. Oh my
Gotta
gosh.
be extra careful with this one now.
It's alright. It is what it is. But look at both of us wearing black today though. Who's stealing whose swag?
I'll put on my black t-shirt before you put on your dress.
But I had in mind to wear black anyway, so.
Yeah, but
Great minds, as they say.
yeah, but I did it first.
Whatever. It is like, let me get in the shot real quick. Hello. We're halfway done.
What is that?
Oh.
Okay.
Walk up, baby, on the treetop. When it runs, the cradle will walk. He walk at you, cradle and all.
It's just the magic. Come on, Odin, shake it. Dance, 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 dance. Dance, dance. Come on, shake it. Hey, I'm ready now. Whenever you are. Represent, so put your hands up. Oh, oh, oh. Woo! That was fancy. that booty shake. Shake that bam bam. Cause I really wanna work it out tonight. Feeling naughty on the low boy. Knocking on the hands on the waist, okay. What? The baby got you a surprise. I wonder what it is.
Pull the bag up, please.
Rip it up, rip it up.
You gonna say thank you?
What do you think of your sandpit, Odin?
Great.
Let's have a look. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, that's cool. And Daddy's gonna pop the sand in.
Daddy, put the sand in the free hole.
Very nice. And Mommy gonna go get you some more water, alright?
It's too heavy, maybe. I can't.
Right, you can dig for the treasure now. What did you find? Ooh, that's one. There's 5 more treasure in there. You might need your yellow thingy there to sift through the sand. You need the sand shaker. Yeah. Yes, that's what I mean. And then you have to sieve it, and you might find some more. Oh, you can see something already. Give it a shake. Yeah, you gonna put it in your pocket? You found 2? There should be 3 more treasures.
What do you do with that?
You want to paint my hand? Alright, paint it over here. Paint my whole hand so there's lots on. Take another dip. Just my hand, not all up my arm. But my fingers too. Need to go on my fingers.
Very nice. Snap, snap.
Stop, stop.
What's Crocky called? What's his name?
Cookie.
Crocky. Ooh.
Stop.
And he's got sparkly bits on his back and head.
He bites me.
Oh, he's eating you.
Bad,
Oh,
bad.
no. Very nice. I like it.
This one.
Help us with the soil.
Put the potato in the middle.
In the middle.
Potato in the middle, like that.
Take the potato out then and put it in the middle of the soil.
In the middle.
Right. Now, there you go. Put some of that on top of it.
Very good.
You can get that.
Odin, spell it properly, please.
Okay. W-E-E. W-E-T. Wet. V. Fat. Tim. S. Sun. The. The. Dad. The. Web. Qua. Cream. Pa. The. Pig. Off. W. U.
What word was that?
No.
Very good. Next one.
M. Mum.
Yep.
Yeah. Not yet.
Mm-hmm.
L-I-T. Whip.
Mm-hmm.
K-I-N. T is my king.
Very good. Next one.
Daddy, is my dog.
Mm-hmm. Next one.
And is right in.
Mm-hmm.
Is right in. K
Spell that one again for me. Odin. Spell that one again.
This.
This one, yes.
H.
Mm-hmm.
O.
Mm-hmm.
Ka.
Yep.
It makes heart.
Very good.
Ka. O. Ta. It makes cut.
Yep.
B. O. It makes book.
Very good.
Love you, Ma. Love you, Dad and Mom.
Thank you. Bye.